doing this bold, simple eyeshadow type of look. It actually took me about 5 minutes to do this look. And of course, I'm starting off by priming my eyelid with a concealer color wheel number 5, and of course I'm going on with that darkest shade that we have on there. So I'm just applying it all over my eyelid area, basically just to make sure that my eyeshadows adhere a little bit more better without creasing. And then I'm jumping onto a palette, and this one is the Nubian 2 by Juvia's eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with that brownish shade called Morocco, and I'm gonna concentrate it mostly on that upper eyelid area. And I'm just making sure that I pack it really well as blend it out a little bit more better, because it's gonna be like a transitioning shade. And then next I'm going in with this neon green loose pigment eyeshadow, and I'm basically gonna concentrate it on the rest of that eyelid area. Well, I did experience a lot of fallouts with this, well, hence that's why it is loose, like loose powder-ish or loose eyeshadow. And I just love how pigmented it is and how popping it is. And this is actually my first attempt into trying out bold eyeshadow shades, and I kind of love it. I think it kind of suits me. I just love it. So I'm just taking my time to make sure that I pack it really well. And then next I'm gonna be going in again with this daring color, and this one is like a neon orange liquid liner. So I'm just gonna apply it on the same areas that I would normally apply my black gel liner, and of course that's on my upper lash line area, and making sure that I also winging out, because that's what I love. That's one of my signature looks, and I just love winging out my liners. And then just a touch of mascara on my lashes, just to make sure that my falsies blend in a little bit better with my natural lashes. And also it kind of like helps with that fallout of that eyeshadow that landed on my natural lashes, so it kind of like helps flake them away. And then after applying my falsies, I'm gonna be going in with this primer, and this one is actually the Smudge primer, and I just love the scent of it. I cannot say this enough. And then next I'm just making sure that I use my fingers or my fingertips to kind of like apply it a little bit more evenly and distribute it on the rest of the face. Then next for the foundation, I'm going in with this MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this one is actually in an NC30. So I actually just gonna go ahead and blend it out with my damp beauty blender, making sure that I do not have any undefined lines on my face. So this just kind of helps blend in everything a little bit more better and much more easier, especially if you're in a rush. And then next I'm going in with this Kryolan translucent powder, and this one is actually in TL5, and yeah, it's just a powder. Well, I was just trying to do a little bit of a mini contour well, without having to put much effort into it. So I'm just basically just applying it, well, those areas that I would normally highlight, because I figure because the powder is a bit yellowish, or it has a yellow tint to it, well, it might work. Well, kinda. And then yeah, I decided to grab my eyeshadow, and it kind of fell off hands. The face is like, yeah, didn't like that. So actually, yeah, I'm just going in with one of my neon orange loose powder, and I'm basically just concentrating it on my lower lash line. And yeah, I just thought that the orange loose pigment would actually bring the look together. So I'm just taking my time with this, because if I make a mistake, I could end up messing up the rest of my face, because these loose pigments are not easy to clean out. So I'm just having a touch, just adding a touch of mascara on my lower lashes, and yeah, that's basically it for now for this side of the look. And then next I'm going in, of course, with the Smudge Blush Duo, and I love it because it's actually not too out there. It's not on your face. It's just a little bit of subtle pink. Actually, it is called peaches. Yeah, that's why I love it. Then next, I'm just going in with this Too Faced diamond light highlighter, and I'm just having a touch of it on the tip of my nose as well as the bridge of my nose. And then next, I'm just gonna have it on the tear dots of my eye, or the inner corners of my eye, and then a little bit of it on the apples of my cheek. And yeah, and then a touch of it, of course, on my Cupid's bow. Those are the areas that I normally highlight, and those are the areas that I'm highlighting right now. And then once I was satisfied with that, I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb lip gloss, and this one is actually called Pretty Please. It's actually a beautiful soft pinkish gloss, and that's about it for you for this look. Certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time, bye bye.